What we felt specifically after this particular program was it left the team on a very positive high, wherein the larger perspectives of business and how things are tied down together with each other, what each and every individual function contributes to the overall bottom line of the organization, is something which has opened their eyes. What it also did in a very simulated risk-free environment is told them that they are allowed to take risks, they are allowed to take calculated risks in terms of business, and any kind of calculated risk will impact the business in positive or negative sense. And if it is taken periodically, consistently, and with some fundamentals in mind, the core fundamentals which these small breakout sessions also talked about, is where the business is finally going to get a very positive impact, which is going to be consistent for business. So that's was the at the end of the program, that was the first feel which came out. On a larger sense and over a period of time, what it is also going to do is it's also going to imbibe into a culture where the entire team starts taking this kind of a calculated risk.
I think the design and the way the entire simulation was structured met its objective. For example, we wanted the team to realize that if there are multiple ways of approaching a particular a goal, so each team adopted a different strategy, and in the simulated environment, what are the possible impacts and how different functions contribute to the strategy and lead to a certain impact was clearly brought out by the various reports that were shared with the team quarter by quarter, and therefore how the impact of the decisions were impacting the business, the overall environment was also clearly brought out in the simulation. So the participant was able to see different strategies, and each strategy, what is the SWOT for that strategy and where it could lead, how it can either be appropriate or backfire. They were able to understand these techniques much effectively, and coupled with the concepts that were able to bring in it, it further grounded their learning, so that in future it's not a trial error. They now would apply the techniques with the concepts and principles in place and take up sound business decisions. So from that perspective, it met its object.